We are closing out August. We are closing out the month and the week on a high here. You know what? Look, there is red on that screen, and there's probably more red than green, but that's okay. That's part of the market's movement and market mechanism. And I'll just give you a little update on that. We sold off 100 points on the Dow. We sold off about 40 points on the S&P. Volume's about 1.1 billion, basically 50-50 advance versus declines. And I always say that when we have a directionality on the buy or the sell, but the advances versus declines are 50-50, that implies to me that it's rotational, right? Nobody getting out of a big thing here. We had the REITs up, gold up, index up, transport's kind of flat, the VIX up a little bit. So with the market going down, there's going to be always a little bit of a blip in the VIX. That's all fine and good. What a spectacular month in so many different ways. I believe we ended up, look, we had multiple record highs. Yesterday, in fact, was the first time in history where you have the NASDAQ, the Dow, and the S&P hitting record highs on the same day, right? 6,500, never before seen on the S&P, 45,600 on the Dow, never before seen. NASDAQ on fire, even though a lot of this month was sort of painful for the Mag 7. The Mag 7 was not that mag for a couple of weeks there, right? We saw that Palantir coming off its highs of 180 and change down into the 140 level, right? So, like I said, there's nothing that didn't happen in this market this month, and I think that's significant and it's powerful, and that sets the stage for September. All that talk about the fact that, August was a lackluster kind of sideways trading, summer month, blah, 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 did not happen in any means. And it's significant. I think I unpacked it and I laid it out for you, and now you understand a lot more. We've got September 17th, Fed meeting, interest rate cuts. How does that look? 25 basis points, 50 to 100 by year end. It's all going to happen, right? We're going to get back into the earnings. We get back into the close of the year. We're going to see the seasonality of September and October so much. It's like being in the Super Bowl every friggin' day, ladies and gentlemen. I love what I do. I love this market. I love trying to teach you all what's going on. I love teaching you about trading, Apex Trader Funding, Wall Street Global Trading Academy. These are the assets that I bring with me to the table. David Green, my teacher, my mentor, my friend. Overall, one of the strongest parts of the puzzle is education, accessibility, and funding. And that's what Wall Street Global and David Green offer. That's what Apex Trader Funding offers. And that's what this whole community does, the democratization of the trading community. The world is just exploding with excitement, enthusiasm about markets, and I want to be in the forefront of it, and I am. And it's a beautiful day to be alive, and that's all I got to say about that. Bing bong, Shotzi. Have a great night.